Ever get that amazing gift card feeling? You know, the one where you envision yourself treating yourself to something awesome? But then reality hits, and you realize you can only use it at a specific store. Bummer, right? What if I told you there might be a way to unlock the true potential of your gift card? Imagine using it to pay a friend back for concert tickets, split a delicious pizza on the fly, or treat yourself to something online, all through the magic of Venmo. Intrigued? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Venmo and gift cards to see if this financial hack is even possible. Now, Venmo is known for its peer-to-peer payment system. It's all about sending and receiving money with your friends quickly and conveniently. But what about adding funds? Traditionally, you'd link your bank account or debit card. But what about those plastic treasures burning a hole in your wallet or gathering dust in your drawer? Here's the truth: Venmo itself doesn't directly support adding gift cards. There's no magical button that instantly transforms your gift card into Venmo Cash. But fear not, there might be a workaround. The plot twist: banks and apps as middlemen. The key lies in how some gift cards function. Many operate like debit cards, meaning they have a card number, expiration date, and CVV code, just like the plastic in your wallet you already use with Venmo. This opens a door, but with a twist. We need a middleman, a financial app or service that can bridge the gap between your gift card and Venmo. Option 1, the bank account buffer. Let's say your gift card is linked to a bank account. This is a good sign. Here's the plan. Transfer the funds from your gift card to your linked bank account. This option might be available through your bank's mobile app or online banking portal. Check for features like transfer from gift card or similar options. Once the transfer is complete, you can breathe easy. Those funds are now sitting comfortably in your bank account, ready to be linked to your Venmo. Open your Venmo app and navigate to the Payment Methods section. This is usually under Settings or Preferences. Look for the option to Add Bank Account and follow the on-screen instructions. Provide your bank account details and voila! Your bank account, now housing the gift card funds, is connected to Venmo. Option 2, the digital wallet. Some digital wallets, like PayPal, allow you to add gift cards directly to their platform. Here's how it could work. Open your digital wallet app and navigate to the section for adding funds or gift cards. Following the app's instructions, add your gift card information. This might involve scanning a barcode or manually entering the card details. Once the funds are successfully added to your digital wallet, you can potentially transfer them to your bank account. Again, check your specific digital wallet's features for transfer options. With the funds back in your bank account, thanks to the digital wallet's magic, repeat step 4 from option 1 to link your bank account to Venmo. Important caveats: be aware before you transfer. Now, before you go on a gift card Venmo rampage, there are a few crucial things to remember. Not all gift cards are created equal. Some might have restrictions on transferring funds, so check the fine print on your gift card or issuer's website. Fees might apply. Transferring funds between accounts or using digital wallets could involve fees. Do your research and factor this into your plan. Security matters. Only use trusted and secure platforms to transfer your gift card funds. Be wary of unfamiliar apps or websites. The verdict: it depends. So, can you add a gift card to Venmo? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on the type of gift card you have, your bank's features, and the options offered by any digital wallet you might use. The final word: explore and experiment responsibly. If you're feeling adventurous and have a gift card gathering dust, explore the options. Research your bank's features, see if a digital wallet can help, and remember to prioritize security and avoid unnecessary fees. With a little effort, you might just unlock the hidden potential of your gift card and experience the magic of Venmo payments.